Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to stop the service in Task Manager if the operation cannot be completed. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of potential walkthroughs of how to resolve this. So the first one I would try would be to head to the Start menu and just left click on it once to open it up, and then type in Task Manager. The best manager comes up, you want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator, and then try and disable the service. You can also go into Services by going in the Start menu, typing in Services, and then right click on the best match, Run as Administrator. You might receive a user account control window, and then once the services window would open up, then you would be able to disable certain services through here as well. So just wanted to point that out, a couple of different ways to do it. But I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.